Hello everybody, and my name's Greg. Welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today we're going to be looking at 5 Kinder Surprise egg holders that are printed out for my granddaughter for Easter. As usual, I'll put all the links to all these models in the description. Now the first one is this one here. Nice leg with articulated legs. Now I printed this on my Elegoo Neptune 4 Max printer. Now if you unscrew it like so, hello, there is the Kinder Surprise. Nice easy print, nice short and sweet. Now I did actually print out a whole heap of these. You can see another one. Put them on the bed and away they went. It's actually quite good. So problem is I've got to fill these up with the Kinder eggs. Next one is this one here. Nice easy one. Obviously no surprise that's in there, as you can see. Now with this print, it does actually have 2 different styles on the same bed. I printed these out on the Anycubic Cobra 3. Once again, nice, short, sweet. I think it takes about half an hour for each one of these print. I just fill the bed up and just complete and change colours for each object. It actually worked out quite well. Yeah, the third one is this nice, easy one here. Once again, printed on the Anycubic. Nice, easy, just eggs just sliding quite well. And once again, I just fill the bed up and just print out in different colours. And here's another little green one. And yes, she's going to get a lot of Kinder eggs for Easter, let me tell you. Now, the next one, which I think is one of my favourites, is this little cute little rabbit here. Now, he's quite good. Nice, easy. This one took about 3 hours to print. Once again, printing on the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max printer. He is quite good. Little eggs just pops in there, nice and easy. Sits in. You can also use other eggs if you want for this one. I actually quite like this one. It is quite cute. Now, the last one is this little fellow here. Now, he was printed out on the Anycubic printer due to the fact that he is multicoloured. He was printed on the Anycubic Cobra 3 Max. Egg just sits in there nice and easy. Takes up the rotate a bit easier. Just sits slots straight in the back there and just sits in there and away it goes. It is quite good. He does normally come with his lopper. He's not 2 per plate. And away you go from there. Well, that's it for the day. Take care, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye.
Here you go, my granddaughter.
Wow, Poppy. Thank you.